Heat capacity or thermal capacity, C. It has been observed that raising the temperature of 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius requires approximately 10 times more heat energy than doing the same for 1 kilogram of copper. This indicates that water has significantly higher capacity to absorb heat energy than copper when both substances are of the same mass and are heated by 1 degree Celsius. This principle extends to other substances as well, as different substances absorb varying amounts of heat energy when their temperatures are raised by 1 degree Celsius. This characteristic, known as heat capacity or thermal capacity, describes the ability of substances to absorb heat energy. Heat capacity or thermal capacity is defined as the amount of heat energy needed to raise the temperature of a given mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. This is represented by the symbol C dash. Heat capacity C dash is equal to amount of heat energy supplied, Q, upon rise in temperature, delta T. If on imparting an amount of heat Q to a body, its temperature rises through delta T degrees Celsius or delta Tk, then heat capacity of the body C dash is equal to Q upon delta T. Units of thermal capacity or heat capacity. In the C system, heat capacity is measured in joules per Kelvin, Jk or Jk1, which is sometimes also expressed as joules per degree Celsius, J degree C or J degree C1, or kilocalorie per degree Celsius, kcal degree C1.